Um, other than that,
How do we compute the p-value? Do we have to use SPSS or
the what value?
the p-value?
Yeah. That's how I did it on ESP, the SPSS.
Okay.
Unless there's another way to do it by hand, but I think by hand would be very complicated.
Well, I think I
Is it-
figured out how to do it on the calculator.
Sweet.
Then do you want to start and see? I'm pretty sure this one's going to be a little bit longer because the last one was really short. It always seems like we have a long one and a short one.
Really quickly, actually,
Yeah.
I'm going to see real quick. I can get this on here. Never mind.
So Kendra, to find the p-value, what do you have to click on in SPSS?
When I was doing it, shoot, I wish I could just open it up. I should start doing these on campus, so.
I guess this doesn't work too well on the calculator.
On the calculator.
Darn it.
Hang on, I'm going over my notes.
No problem.
Well, did you watch the video?
Yeah.
Did you not understand it?
No, I thought I knew how to do it, but you just go into eyes and then compare means and then just one sample.
So it's the same thing like that you'd get from the when you open it up and you do a one sample test.
Uh-huh.
The p-value is the sig two-tailed number. So you'll do it. You'll get like the test value. You'll get the t-score, the df score,
Okay.
the p-value. It's the same thing as the sig two-tailed value.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
I don't know why they didn't do that, but
I see.
they're the same thing. Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay. Good deal. No, I had to go through with that as well. I was like, what the heck? Like, either I didn't do it right or they don't give it to me, but yeah, I had to reread.
Okay. All right. Do you guys have it all open and everything?
Yeah, I just opened the quiz.
Okay.
The first couple questions seem pretty easy, and then we have to get into the SPSS.
So number 3, we assume standard deviation is unknown.
Unknown? Yeah, unknown. Got that one. And then 4 is really easy. It asks us if it's known or unknown. No. And then the value.
What is the value of t?
So I'm going to do that equation real quick. T equals. I got 1.5.
$1.5.
Yep.
Find down to the hardware store and get a little bottle.
Yeah, I got it.
But you got 1.5?
So I'm doing it on SPSS.
Yeah.
Yes. Ow.
And it's not giving me, it gives me some, I just did this and it gave me some whacked out huge number.
That's what happened with my calculator.
It said like 476.
Yeah, that's a crazy number.
But I think you
Yeah,
have to use
so let me do-
SPSS with the actual data number stuff. So like for like the next one, it's got this whole list of data. I think you can use SPSS for that one.
Yeah, I think you're supposed to.
But yeah.
Ow.
So you guys got 1.5?
Yeah,
Okay.
for 5, yes.
Okay. Yeah, sorry, I was talking about number 6 anyway.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
You're just skipping ahead.
You're just a speedster.
Sorry. I'm freaking these guys out. These days.
Are there 20 here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah, there should be 20.
Yeah, I got 20. Is what I
Okay.
counted.
Sweet. All right. Did you all get it yet?
No.
Okay.
My computer gave it to me, but it's the weird huge number.
I got 98.22 for X bar.
Okay, that's right. Yeah.
Is that what the computer?
Yeah, anyway.
Oh, it does? Sweet.
Yeah.
Does the computer, it gives the S and the T score, right?
Yeah, it gives the T score, but the T score is really weird for this one. But yeah, it should give us a T score, yeah.
What does it say for the S?
For the standard deviation, it gave me 0.922.
Let me see. Do that by hand.
How are we going to assume that it's normally distributed? Does that matter here?
I did a QQ plot.
Oh, okay.
I guess that tells you.
It looked normal to me, yeah, so.
Okay.
And this one's standard deviation is the same. Yeah, so I got standard deviation 0.92201 or 0.922.
I did that. I got that too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Minus
Did you get?
8.6. Hang on, I'm just working on the T4.
Okay.
divided by.
And then the p-value, I'm going to have to rely on somebody. I guess we're going to have to rely on Wes.
Less. Yeah.
Yeah, if it's right. Kyle, what'd you get for your t value?
I got negative 1.843. So you got?
So again, that was negative 1.843.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I got. The computer gave me like 460 something, 476. So
That's weird. I just
yes.
calculated it up on here.
Yeah, that's what I did on, because I got the standard deviation, so I just did it on my paper and it's way different.
Yeah.
So, I don't know.
Got it here. Let's see if what it'll do for me. I don't remember what that means. Dang it, didn't work. So it's got t-test. I'm gonna do that. Blah, 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 blah. What's frequency? I don't know what the frequency means. Actually, you know what? For the t-test, I think you have to put the null value in there. So the 98.6. I don't know what frequency means, but whatever. Calculate. Okay, so when you do that, you have to say that what mu is, what the population mean is, because I got it on my calculator as well, and it worked. You can see that.
So I have to put in the population.
So, for example, on mine, it's got. If you look, I don't know if it'll have the same thing in the computer, but right there, you have to plug in mu.
Oh.
It says it's like the whole null hypothesis equals 98.6, and before it was on 0, and so it came out with some weird numbers. So when it's 0, it gets t equals 476.4. So that's wrong. So what you put in, so maybe you look for something that has that on the SPSS.
Is it the test value? Dang, I'm gonna have to go back to those videos. Let me try that. The average.
It gives me a p-value.
Is the average 98.22? I should put that one in, right?
Yeah, that's the X bar. Which it should have that. If you plug in the numbers in there, it should have that.
Okay. Well, now it's giving me 0.000, so I just.
Can you show your screen on there and maybe try going? Maybe we can go through it.
Yeah, let me do this here.
Oh, that weird thing that you do.
Because then I can learn as well, because I don't know how to do it.
So can you guys see it?
Yeah.
I can see me.
So you can see you. Good. Okay, so I come in here to go to compare means one sample t-test, and then I moved the first column here over, and then I click. Actually, let me do this. Options, and there's nothing here. The only thing there is a test value here, but I don't think that's it.
Well, you could try it, but I don't know.
I just did that, and the t value it gave me was
super weird.
The 0.
Oh shoot.
Yeah. I talked to him after class. He said opposition is really starting to rise. But Thomas says Montana said opposition is really starting to rise.
So analyze, compare,
the first year he's ever had. So I'm gonna have a whole lesson.
Oh, crud.
So we will have less
Shoot.
on
Sample.
young meadow.
Is that the one where they,
Oh, crud.
No, what happened to Mountain? That's
Well,
where
they were-
we killed some people. didn't we?
The
Shoot, now it's gonna
Washington,
keep that.
pretty much the head of government in the US. Utah and the Mormons were starting to
Okay, that looks right.
trying to get Brigham Young to back off from a high position in
Yeah, that
Utah.
looks more like the examples.
Well, I'm reading it. I'm not 100%.
So 476 is what it gave me before.
Perfectly right.
5.048. So now it's back to normal. I don't know.
Figure things out.
Test value, is it 20 maybe?
We'll get ready. Have some food ready.
Test
Let me try-
value.
Food, water.
Let me try it for
That one
20.
stuff ready, so they're waiting for the troops in
So mine actually comes out with a p-value as well on my calculator.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's a nice calculator.
It's
Yeah.
for TI-84.
So
I took, statistics class my sophomore year, so I remember a little bit of it. We did everything on the calculator. We didn't have any of this computer stuff.
Yeah, which is so nice. See, my T is still giving me some huge numbers, so I'm just gonna have to calculate it. I'll have to look over the videos and calculate it later.
very short, they eventually
Alright.
Yeah, go over the videos and find that out.
Yeah.
So the t-score was negative 1.843, right?
Right. What?
Yeah, just a sec.
And then my calculator gives me a p-value of 0.040.
Point.
Please.
No. Not yours, for mine.
So the P
Yeah, right now it's not a good
the P value that it was giving me is like 0 point really small.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I remember, like, when I had it on 0, it came out with something really small as well. It came out like point something, times 10 to the negative 12,
Right.
which is not right.
Which is not good.
So I feel like that's a little bit better. I can kind of trust that p-value.
Yeah.
0.04.
That makes sense.
Huh?
Remember the Mormon guys killed the mountain man?
Evidence.
some hiring Mormons.
So the
Usually-
p-value is less than the level of significance, so we reject it. Right?
Reject the null hypothesis, right?
Yeah.
We want the whole story. I completely advise reading this.
Alright. Oh, so we gotta wait for the p-value again.
So I got to do this again.
Base?
So I got
Okay. Gotta give me some time to put it all in here.
Yeah. Sorry.
Are you guys on number 9?
Number 9, we said 0.040.
According to my calculator.
Yeah, according to the calculator.
Oh, okay.
And then because of all of the information, number 10 is we reject the null hypothesis.
What number are you guys on now then?
Just right below it.
Yeah, doing 11. Just putting all the calculations in.
So I have 21 numbers here.
Which is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Yeah, I counted 21.
8. Okay, good. I did it all right.
We're both wrong? Oh, no.
Alright, so the mean is 40. And we're saying that what's the hypothesis? That it's the
Hypothesis is...
alternative?
Yeah. Using this versus 40 minutes.
So that it's not? Or... Oh, okay, yeah, there it is.
Yeah.
Alright,
It's the first alternative, yeah.
calculate. So it gives me a p-value of 0.99.
Oh.
Gives me x bar of 40. Standard deviation of 36.
P-value 0.99. Okay.
So that's kind of large. If I do this, yeah, so it gave me a good large number there.
For the p-value? Give you a large number?
I mean, it gives me that 0.99.
Oh, okay.
You know, gives me x bar of 40, which is right there, so. Yeah, I mean, let me look at that again. Yeah, so yeah, there you go. 0.995 is what it gives me exactly.
9.5. Okay. Sweet.
So, we failed to reject the null hypothesis, right?
Yeah. C. Okay, so 13. Oh, there's only 15 questions. That's nice. Go ahead and try use none of this name level of significance.
Did the p-value. Alright. So I just go down here and I say, what am I saying?
You're saying that
That
it's greater.
okay. You gave me a p-value of 0.502. So it decreases. Well, I mean, that's something you don't really have to ask, or calculate.
Yeah. It is just
So,
nice to see, though.
even with that, you still fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Okay. Compare the confidence level of question 1, which is wider. So the
Oh, it just... Wouldn't it be the same? Because nothing's changed. We're just looking at one side. We're looking at the p-value, really.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I mean, that's only we're only looking at the one-sided or the two-sided tail thingy.
Yeah, so they are the same. Okay. All right. Well, do you want me to read it off? Read them off then?
Wes, do you have any questions? Were you with us the whole time?
Yeah, kind of, sort of. You'll have to read them off again. There's a couple questions that I had, but yeah, go ahead and read them off.
Okay. 3, we assume that it is unknown. The standard deviation is unknown. 4 is no. 5 is 1.5. 6 is 98.22. 7 is 0.922. 8 is negative 1.843. 9 is 0.040. 10 is we reject the null. 11 is 0.995. 12 is fail to reject the null. 13 is decrease. 14 is fail to reject the null. And 15, they are the same.
Okay.
Is it my turn to submit?
Wes, do you have a question?
Yeah, there's just there's things that I was gonna do just to make sure that.
Yeah, do it, because I want to make sure we get it right.
Yeah.
Because using my calculator here, and I haven't done this in like 6 years or something like that, you know, I don't know that I trust myself that well. Oh, something bit me in my leg. It just...
Something bit you on your leg? Is that what you just said?
Yeah, and it's just really bad.
Oh, that's awkward.
Mosquito. Okay, so let's see. For number, let's see. Okay, so for number 9, what did you guys say it was?
It is
Or sorry, yeah, for number 9, yeah.
0.040.
Okay, hold on just a sec. Because in the computer, this is a single-tailed test. The computer gave me 0.01, and if you divide that by 2, so it should 0.00, right? 0.040.
Yeah.
Did you get it up on the computer now? Did you figure it out?
Yeah. So you have to put the mean in for
the null hypothesis or something like that. Where do you put it in?
Yeah, you have to put in the null hypothesis. So actually, let me do my. Where are we at here?
Well, good. You got the same answer, because that means that my calculator's right.
You're set. Okay, so let's see if my computer starts working here. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, you can. Okay. So if you go into analyze and you come down to compare means and then one sample t-test, and then you click on that, and then you just type in whatever the sample, their null hypothesis or whatever. So for the second one, it's 40. So I'll type in 40, and then click OK, and it should give me 0.995.
Yeah.
And this is a two-tailed, right? Yeah, this is two-tailed.
Yeah.
So 0.995 and then 0.006 for t. That does it, so I guess that doesn't matter. So failed to reject null, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, okay. Good job, guys.
Sweet. Makes me happy. Oh, it just...
But,
Okay.
if it's like a bite, a bee sting, it sounds really weird, but crushed up Advil or deodorant works.
But that's unreal. But that's alright.
Yeah. Cool.
Probably works. You know what I really think it is? I think it's a spider bite. I think I've gotten a bunch of those lately.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Because there's just spiders all over the place here.
As long as it doesn't get worse. If it gets worse, then you should probably see a doctor.
Well, I don't think it's like a bad spider bite. I just think it's a spider bite that, you know, kind of is just there.
Hopefully
Because I go work out in the basement and there's spiders all over the place down there. We just went kayaking and there was a bunch of spiders out in the grass that I was paddling through.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Alright, so...
Is it? I think it's my turn.
I think it is. Wes, do you have any other objections?
No, sorry, guys. Good job.
Okay.
You guys got them all.
All right. We're going to see...
I'm glad you figured it out on the SPSS. So.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! 100! Doing this together really helps a lot.
Yes, it does.
Because on my homework, I always miss at least one.
I know, I hate it.
All right. Well, sweet.